What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to do a heat test with the Vevor 9 kilowatt heater. We're going to do a half-hour test and a 60-minute test to see how well it heats up in minus 18 degrees Celsius or minus 0.4 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're new to the channel, my name's Phil G. I make videos about stoves and DIY projects, so if you like this, throw me one of these and subscribe to the channel because it helps me out quite a bit. Before using the sauna, I go out and turn on the breaker, that way we could get it preheated. So we just got a snowstorm. Let's see what we're faced with. Alrighty, this is gonna be interesting. This is where the panel is right here. So I'm gonna switch off the hot tub, switch on the sauna, and we're gonna go to the control panel. To turn it on. After turning on the sauna, we're gonna wait about half an hour just to make sure it gets warm, because here right now it is minus 21 degrees Celsius. So it takes about half an hour for a 9 kilowatt heater to heat up the space. What I bring with me in the sauna is my wireless Bluetooth speaker, my Viking sauna hat to keep our head at a good temperature, a bottle filled with water, and my cell phone right here to connect to the Bluetooth and play some music. Alright, so it's been half an hour. Let's go get changed, put our bathrobe on, and head on in the sauna. After half an hour, the temperature rises pretty quick, so it's about 30 degrees, 32 degrees Celsius. Before building the sauna, I never even knew sauna hats existed, so I picked this one up on Amazon because it's pretty cool looking like a Viking in your own sauna. If you find this sauna cool, watch my how-to video. It's over an hour and a half long, and it goes through step by step showing you how to build one if you want to build one yourself. I added this little stainless steel cup here. What I do is I fill it with water, and I bought some eucalyptus oil. I bought this on Amazon, and it is essential oil, so I just take a little bit of it and I drop it in the water here, and it gives a nice smell to the sauna, so a nice little aroma, which makes the experience that much better. After 1 hour, we can see the temperature is a lot higher at 63 degrees Celsius. For a sauna, you can't use any type of rocks. You need something that is hard enough that won't crack or explode when you heat them up or pour water on them. So in the local area, we have some granite. So I just went to a local building site and picked these up from the ground to save a little bit of money, and they work great. This here is a Vevor 9 kilowatt sauna heater. It is electric, and it does have an external control board. So far, I'm really happy with it. It puts out a lot of heat, and it heats up this space within half an hour, as you saw, when it's even minus 18 degrees Celsius. Perfect for cold and the winters in Canada. This heater is 220 volts, so if you have more questions about this, check out my other video on how to wire it. I am not an electrician, so do it at your own risk or pay an electrician to do the job for you. I added a 110 volt plug here from the control board because it does have a converter to convert the 220 volts into 110. And this is useful because I plug the lights directly into this plug, as well as a fan. I turn this fan on when it's really cold outside and the heat is stuck at the ceiling of the sauna, and it distributes the heat quite well. Saunas do put out a very dry heat, so that's why we have these here in most saunas to pour over the rocks. So there's some water in the ladle right here, and you just want to gently pour it on the rocks. It gives out a nice instantaneous heat because all the humidity goes up, and it makes it easier to breathe, giving it a nice, warm, hot feeling in your sauna. When I'm ready to put some music, I take my Bluetooth JBL speaker, turn it on in the back here. I go to Spotify and put on my relaxing music right here, spa music. Let that play. And then I relax. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below if you want to see anything specific about saunas, heaters, or DIY projects. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.